You don't need a perfect life to start building a better future. Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching from. My name is Vigel. I'm a full-time mom of 7 and my husband works intrastate. You don't need a perfect life to start building a better future. My husband works intrastate. And the biggest reason why I started learning digital business from home. I used to think I need more time, more confidence, or more experience. But I realized I didn't need everything perfect to begin. I only need a simple system, guidance, and the willingness to learn step by step. This journey teach me that small pocket of time can still create growth. Even as a busy mom, I can still building something meaningful around my family life. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'm too busy, remember this. You don't need more time. You need a better system. Comment info or send me a message. I'm happy to help you, to guide you. I'm your future mentor, Vigel. Happy to guide you, support you, and help you to succeed your journey. Thank you for having me. Have a good one. Hi, my mentor is watching. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the live. Thank you. Bye.